Italian Mama, I'm gonna make my family's favorite Italian cookie. Keep watching. I don't know if you ever heard of it, a Pignoli cookie. An Italian cookie rolled in pine nuts. And there's only a few ingredients, which is good. These cookies are very expensive to make, but they make a nice presentation. These are all the ingredients that we need. 16 ounces of almond paste. In the store, you'll find it in an 8-ounce package or in an 8-ounce can. And we need sugar, 1 cup of sugar and 2 egg whites. We're not using the yolks. And about a pound of pine nuts. Now I have to preheat the oven to 350. Now we're gonna mix the almond paste, the sugar, and the egg whites. Alright, first we're going to put this in the mixer. 1 cup of sugar. And then you add your 2 egg whites. I'm going to mix it now till it all combines and it will be a sticky dough. I mix it for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to get it off all the sides. I'm going to make 1.5 inch balls. And I'm using a small cookie scoop to make them all the same size. We'll roll them in the nuts, so you're going to get nuts on the bottom, the tops, all around. The bakeries don't do that, they skimp on them. Like I said, these are very expensive nuts. And just keep repeating until all the dough is finished. I'm going to put 12 on the pan. I'm just about done now. You get just about 3 dozens, a little less than that. Before they go in the oven, you have to use a glass and gently press them. You don't want to make them flat. It's time to bake them, and they're going to go into the oven, which I preheated already. About 14 to 16 minutes. You have to keep your eye on them. They get a little golden brown on the bottom, but you don't want to leave them too long. Just spread out a little bit. Ready to go in the oven. Poppy's favorite cookies are all done. Poppy, surprise!
Oh, you made my favorite cookie.
Yeah!
Yeah!
You're worth it, Poppy. Happy birthday.
Oh.
Enjoy. Wow.
They are good.
They're always good. This makes a beautiful platter. Now I gave you the recipe and it's in the description below. Thanks for watching Italian Mama. Subscribe to my channel. More videos to come. Love you all.